please hit the subscribe button, and for more videos and updates, hit the bell icon.
Hi, my name is Kavya. I'm 9 years old, and today in this video we are going to make guess. Any guesses? A cute little Halloween ghost. Boo! So let's start making. So the first thing is tissue paper, not regular paper, to get that spooky effect of see. With plain sheets of paper, it won't really look this good. Then a ball. The ball size varies on the size you want to make the ghost at. So I have used same kind of ball for this ghost here. I think it's a orange or a pink ball. And if you want to make a ghost which head is this size, you can use a ball, big marble here to get the small size. And I have used a big ball here to get a big size. I made so many ghosts till now. Making these ghosts is really fun once you know how to make them. So you can change your ball size. A rubber band to secure it with. And a marker. I am using a permanent marker to draw the eyes and mouth. So let's get started. First, keep your tissue. I'm going to keep the ghost here. Then grab your ball and keep it in the center. Grab the tissue from all the sides and try to just squish in the ball. It's a really easy thing to do. Try to wrap it in. And just wrinkle the part which is below, but don't wrinkle the head too much. At least keep one side smooth. Then grab your rubber band and tie this around. I'll wrap it 3 times for this ball. And then go under and just spread this around. Next, take your marker and draw 2 little eyes. You can go for the impression you like. I just like this standard impression. I like to call it a ghostly impression. I don't know why. With its mouth open. I've even done this impression in my ghost garland. You can watch, even see that video. And you're done. You have your spooky little silly looking, not silly actually, fun but spooky looking ghosts ready. You can even use them as a hanging for Halloween decoration. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye. Boo. And happy Halloween. Bye again. Ooh. Bye.